Paleontologists have discovered new species of prehistoric moths and butterflies with some groundbreaking scientific implications. The fossils date back to around 70 million years earlier than flowers existed, begging the question, what exactly were they pollinating? A series of fortunate events led to the discovery, as RT's David Miller explains.
Moths and butterflies represent one of the most admired and studied insect groups for their remarkable associations with plants. Two paleontologists dissolving rock cores more than 200 million years old have discovered tiny fragments of insect scales that caught their eye. The discovery identifies as the oldest evidence of butterflies and moths. The research dates back to about 70 million years earlier than previous known, and well before there were any flowers around that could pollinate. Paul K. Struther of Boston College, an expert in prehistoric pollen and spores, traveled to a lab in Germany to conduct his research. And while dissolving cores dating to the late Triassic and early Jurassic periods, Struther discovered butterfly and moth wings covered in tiny scales that overlapped. Struther enlisted help from scientist Torsten Rappler, an expert in extinct insects. And Rappler examined them and told Struther that it would be possible to classify the insects. At the end of the Triassic period, 201 million years ago, the world was going through an upheaval. The new research published in Science Advances reveals that moths and butterflies are survivors. Many questions do remain, though, such as why some scientists suggest that intense volcanic activity wrecked the planet, altering its climate. But moth and butterfly scales are present in the rock cores on both sides of the extinction divide. And research does reveal that moths and butterflies did develop skills to feed off plants and flowers, while further research will reveal if plants predate moths and butterflies. And researchers are concluding that further research is needed to determine if those butterflies profited from ecological niches left by vanished species. Reporting from Washington, D.C., David Miller, RT America.